Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. If you haven't been on our channel before, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out all the latest videos that we do. It all covers all sorts of areas in terms of tow bars, reversing cameras, audio systems. Feel free to subscribe and check out all of those. Today what I'm going to be talking you through is a system we've installed on a VW T6. So this customer was looking for a solution and went onto YouTube and found another video we did actually, and that's why what brought him here today. So what we're going to be talking you through exactly how we've done this installation. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is the detachable swan neck we've added to the vehicle. You'll see a lot of people on the market that will be trying to save a bit of money, but also not installing the system to how it should be. What we've installed today is what's called a dedicated wiring loom. What that basically means in English, the wiring goes through into given points from the manufacturer. It's not a bypass electric system. If you hear the name bypass electrics, please stay well clear of that or any installer that's promoting that sort of product. It's not a safe way of installing anymore, and it's not safe for you and your vehicle. Soon enough, they will be changing MOT regulations to get rid of any vehicle that has bypass electrics installed. That will invalidate your MOT as well as your insurance, therefore. So if you are looking into a system and you hear the name bypass electrics, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll guide you through the advantages of going through the route of a dedicated wiring loom. Yes, it is more expensive, but it's the right way it should be done in terms of how an install should be carried out. Also your safety. The difference is bypass electrics, you wire up the a bypass relay basically off your lighting circuit, and that will relay onto a cycle carrier or trailer. On a dedicated wiring loom, what it does is it actually integrates, it goes into the factory given point. It changes your fuel distribution system, so it actually adapts your fuel system to make it easier for you to tow and safer for you to tow. The other thing it does, it affects all your stability controls in the vehicle. So most of modern vehicles will have stability control, and you basically, in essence, if you go down the route of bypass electrics, you're actually just bypassing, as what it says on the tin, bypassing that safety feature. And why would you put yourself and your passengers in danger? You wouldn't. That's why you need to go down the route of a dedicated wiring loom. Whether we're doing that install or someone else, just please be careful of that. So on these VW T6s, we use a Westphalia dedicated wiring kit which goes into the given points from manufacturer. It's really easy to use, plus also the tow bar necks folds away really nicely. You can't see a thing once it's all done, and you've got the little 13-pin electrics kit just underneath the vehicle, just so you can neatly plug something in terms of a cycle carrier or trailer, and it's really easy to use. The Westphalia actual neck itself is really easy to use. You just pull that out, twist it away from you, and it drops out, and then you put it in the arm position, and then once that's armed, it just goes back straight into that housing. Again, really easy to use. So that's just a bit of an overview on the system we've installed today on this VW T6. So if you're interested in a system like this, we're based in Cambridge. All our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge. But also please don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you very much, and we look forward to upgrading your vehicle soon. Thank you.